You searched for how to buy shares of Teleste Oyj, a Finnish technology company that supplies broadband and cable network equipment listed on CBOE EU under the ticker TLT1V.HE. This video is educational and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and we will use eToro as an example to show the process. After signing up, you must verify your account with an identity document. You will also need to add funds before placing a trade. Use the platform search box and enter the ticker TLT1V.HE to find Teleste Oyj. Select the result that matches the company name and CBOE EU listing to ensure it is the correct stock. Open the asset page to review basic company information and the price chart to confirm trading activity. Double-check the listing details and the TLT1V.HE ticker to make sure you have the right stock. Click Invest or Trade, enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may be scheduled or executed when it reopens. And if you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio for monitoring. A link to eToro is available in the description if you want to explore the platform further.